Schrader, the principal at Meadowview Elementary. We are so excited about our open house tonight. We've had a great turnout. The energy has really been electric in the building, and we are looking forward to a great school year where we are all positive, prepared, and productive.
Hello HCS families, Terry Morgan, Superintendent of Hardin County Schools. I know you're seeing all the wonderful things that are happening in Hardin County, how excited we are to have all of our students back. This is going to be the best school year ever. We are looking forward to normalcy and having great student attendance, parents back into the school buildings, and really making this the best year ever. So our hashtag this year is HCS Better Together, and we make that true every day.
I'm Felicia Woodring. I'm with U of L Health. I'm one of the employee relations managers with the organization. And this is my kiddo, Bristol. She's in 4th grade here at the school. We're just giving out some hand sanitizers for the kids, raffling off a backpack with some goodies, and just kind of talking about the organization and our new fully funded tuition program for their employees.
If people need more information?
They can actually, my business card is right there if you want to zoom in on it. It has all my contact information as well.
Here at Meadowview, we've got a number of volunteers in the community helping out and sharing some good skills. We got some haircuts going on here, and it looks like the young people are getting their hair cut the way they want to be. Always, that helps starting the school year on the right foot. Now we have a young man. He's cutting hair over here. All right, what's the hairstyle they all want today?
They like the curls on the top. That's what all the little kids like. They don't like combing their hair.
Got it. All right, curls on the top. Cute. How many haircuts have you done so far?
4.
4? All right. And I saw your name tag, Mr. Cox. What's your first name?
Victor.
Victor, all right.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you for helping out tonight at Meadowview.
Thank you for having me.
Hi, I'm Megan. This is Jackson, and we are with PAC 488. We are a Cub Scout troop in PAC in Radcliffe, Kentucky. We take boys and girls, kindergarten through high school, and we meet at Radcliffe Presbyterian on Mondays and Thursdays at 6.
My name is Gloria Pringle, and I'm here representing Girl Scout Troop number 1318 from Radcliffe and the surrounding areas here in Hardin County. All little ladies between kindergarten and 12th grade are welcome to be Girl Scouts. And if they want some information, they can always go to Girl Scout website and get all the information they need.
Hi, I'm Christy Carr. I am a school-based therapist with Cumberland Family Medical. I offer services for kids here at Meadowview Elementary, anywhere from anxiety, depression, ADHD, hyperactivity, focused concentration. If you'd like some more information, please feel free to give me a call here at school, 270-352-0500, and I'm extension 4128. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Tammy Rice, and this is my daughter Tamika Rice. We work over here at Meadowview, and we are at the volunteer table. We would love for all the parents to stop by, sign up, volunteer, so that we will have a great school year with, in addition to all the extra stuff we will be doing. Thank you.
You can also go on the Hardin County website to look under the parents to do the volunteer paperwork to be certified to come.
Yes, and it's a $10 fee for them to do a criminal background check. But we would love to have as many parents as possible. Thank you.